Post kayo, post.
Nagsasabi ko.
Speechless, sorry.
I love Fashion TV.
Hindi. Ay na, for 2 minutes. I've given you all that I know, and that's all that I know. It should be enough to get you started in this company. Pero more than that, I really appreciate your friendship with me. From the bottom of my heart, which is near to my stomach.
Near the stomach, yes?
Below the stomach, I mean. No. Hindi, basta gusto ko lang, no matter what happens, alam niyo naman ang side, medyo magulo, medyo may plastikan, medyo may tablahan.
Correct.
Stick together, help each other. And in the words of Douglas MacArthur, no job! Hindi mo ako ko yun.
Ito po si Karen Davila, nag-uula.